Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of the documents which are essential after the completion of clinical trial. So, after the completion of clinical trials, several essential documents are necessary for regulatory submissions, reporting, and archiving. These documents help in summarizing and validating the trials resulted and maintaining transparency. So here are some essential documents after completion of trials. So clinical study report. The comprehensive document summarizes the trial results, including data on efficacy and safety, statistical analysis and conclusions. Then final protocol. Any protocol amendments made during the trial should be documented in the final protocol to ensure transparency and traceability. Then investigators brochure update. If there are significant changes to the IB or IB products safety profile or other critical informations, an update investigators brochure may be required. Then regulatory submission documents. These include the application for marketing authorization, which may vary by region. Example, New Delhi application in the or new drug application in the US, marketing authorization application in the EU. These submissions comprise various documents such as CSR, labeling information, and summarizes of product characteristics. Then, summary of product characteristics. This document provides detailed information about the product, its indications, dosages, and safety information for healthcare professionals. Then, patient information leaflet, a document for patients and their caregivers, providing essential information about the medications used and potential side effects. Risk management plan, a comprehensive plan for monitoring and mitigating risks associated with the product once it's on the market. Then post-marketing surveillance plan details how the product will be monitored for safety and effectiveness once it's available to the broader population. Integrity or integrated safety summarize. Summarize the safety data collected during the trial, including adverse events and any specific concern. FDA approval letter or regulatory decision. Official communication from regulatory authorities regarding approval or rejection of the product. Then datasets. Complete datasets including individual patient data if allowed for independent analysis and verification. Then archiving plan. Detailed instruction on how trials documents will be archived, maintained, and made available for the inspection as required by the regulatory agency. Thus, these are the essential documents after the completion of the clinical trial. Thank you.